Thursday smells like my past.
Good morning, Crypto Chaos! What is up, guys? What is up? Good morning, good morning. Let's wake up. Let's wake up. I almost didn't make it. My internet was out with I guess a scheduled maintenance, whatever. How's it going? Good morning, good morning. Yes, Crypto Chaos family. How you doing? I'm still in my PJs.
What are you, stupid?
Yes. Gamma God, it says Grand Rising Otaku and Chaos family. Easy, passing out some coffee this morning, guys. Welcome to the craziest crypto show on YouTube. Happy joy. Yes, let's wake up to joy as well.
I don't think you're happy enough. I'll teach you to be happy. I'll teach your grandmother to suck eggs. I told you I'd shoot, but you didn't believe me. Why didn't you believe me? Happy, joy, happy, joy, happy, joy.
Yep. We should be awake by now, right, guys? Bitcoin kind of sitting in a bull flag this morning from yesterday's price action. Let's kind of go over that. Yesterday calling for baseline bear. What do we get? Right on top of our baseline target. What did I tell you guys last night? We're probably going to be right on top of our baseline target. Here we are again. Still, again, sitting in a bull flag from the price action from yesterday. Looking pretty good for a setup. Still, possibly, for a trip down up to the top of this channel. Are we going to get it today? Will the money makers, the market makers, give it to us today? Will they actually give it to us today? We'll find out. But we're still in that setup from yesterday. Already broke out from the cup and handle. They're producing the cup, the handle right now for the cup, and of course the breakout would take us more than likely to break our head on this 72K area. We haven't touched this area since the original path out of 2.5. That's right, 2.5. That's again 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago from where we are today. All right, actually a little bit more than that. 2 weeks and 2 days, something like that. 2 weeks and a day, something like that. It is Thursday, guys. Happy Thursday. Happy Thursday. Let's get to it. All right. The rest of you guys in the pleasantries convincing. Yes, good morning. happy joy to you, of course. Joy in the chat. Good morning to you. G-Dog also here. Good morning, Coffee. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Rising Joy, Easy, and G-Dog from Gamma Goddess. And yes, happy joy's theme song. It's spectacular. I love it. Sorry, Dragons, yes, coming in hot. Of course, our favorite flavor of dragon, strawberry. How's it going, Strawberry, this morning? Good morning to you as well. All right, guys. Well, this is what we're waiting for, the morning open. We have about 6 minutes until that happens. So far, going sideways. Not too bad. Still staying on top of our support area around 67.6. That was what we looked at yesterday on the order books as being the most strongest levels we have right now. Support. Let's see if it still remains the same. Let's take a look real quick. The news this morning, I wasn't able to catch it because my internet wasn't working, but we'll get into that, of course, here in a minute when the opening bell happens in about 5 minutes. All right, time. Okay. So right now we have, it looks like the overall trading volume is flat, 19.9 billion against 19 billion. The Bears are losing this fight just by roughly about $1 billion this morning into overall trading volume. We do have, the key area that we're looking to defend right now, still stuck in this channel, right around 67,000. Nothing else really new to see here. To be honest, there might be some new areas that got bought up last night, not bought up, but orders placed, of course, for more longs below us where we are now in this position. Yeah, you can see that's all highlighted here. As of yesterday, it's a stronger level of support. Of course, pushing us above where we are right now to hopefully that $72,000 range. All this area here is, of course, all brand new from yesterday's price action. So new areas of support building in this area as well. If we do lose 67, which I'm not totally convinced we're going to do just yet, because they were still in the midst of some sort of rally, believe it or not, in disbelief. Yeah, maybe that's what we'll call it, the disbelief rally. The disbelief rally. Yeah, there's still, of course, areas all below us that we could, of course, go back down to and flip that to support. It's already been there. We've taken 2 weeks now out of our month to produce this new level of support. Hopefully it's enough there to get us back above 75. I guess that would be the goal. I don't know if we're gonna have any more than that to take before the end of the month, unless there's some big buyer that's waiting on the sidelines right now to get in and wreck more people on the way up on the Options Expiry event on February 27th. I believe it's the day before. Yeah, that's tomorrow, the 27th. Yep. All right. So that's the current layout we have right now. Yeah, nothing else really to take here away here. 69,100 is going to be the largest area of resistance we have to face this morning, and 67.3 is now still holding for support. So I think that's $300 less than where I have them on the board right here. 67.3 with all the wicks. Yeah, they're pretty much right there. 67.5, 67.3. That's close enough. We'll see a wick down there if we do want to see that retested here in the next hour, as we traditionally do around 10:30. Will they give us a green day again? Well, from what we hear, it's probably going to be an astounding yes. We'll find out today. All right, so we got to get over there in about 2 more minutes. Let's see what else is going on with you guys in the chat. Yes. Good morning, Chaos. Good morning, Chaos. Let's see what the headlines look like and move on forward with the things. We still have about 2 or 3 minutes remaining. Let's take a look and see what CNBC has on the headlines. Nvidia stock sees only marginal gains after a better than expected results, and usually the market likes to tank on Nvidia earnings, good or bad. So we'll see if that is different today too. I would imagine with the market in good sentiment right now, which we'll see if it's still holding neutral this morning. Yesterday we ended about 46, was it? Yeah, still 46 in neutral for the stock market before the open, and we have crypto fear and greeds right now sitting at 11. Still not the greatest. Still an extreme fear. The Dixie right now before the pre-market sitting at 97.7, still coming back up a little bit there on the day. Still going a bit sideways here on the 5-day. A little bit lower, but sideways. And on the month, it's still up and to the right. So I don't like this, guys. I don't like this setup right now the dollar has. Hopefully, the 3-month will continue down the downward trend like it has been the last 6 months, the year to date, and of course, the year. Down into the right, I say. Down into the right. Damn, even the year is starting to go sideways a little bit here. We got to get this lower. On the Dixie. All right. What else do we have here? Democrat senators press Ludnick on conflict of interest concerns and USA rare earth deals. How can there be conflict of interest for the United States? We don't have any. We need as much as we can get. I don't know what the details are here. All right. So conflict of concerns involvement with Commerce Secretary Howard Ludnick's and former firm Cantor Fitzgerald, and a deal that Critical Minerals set up USA Rare Earth. I'm assuming it has something to do with their ties to different companies. What else do we have? We have 1 minute. We got to go over there in about 1 minute. Okay, Russia says Cuba situation is escalating after deadly incident with U.S. tagged speedboat. We're only a few days away from Donald Trump's alleged deal with Iran, and the deadline is the 1st. So yeah, that happened to the 1st. Also, the compromise for the U.S. bill, the Clarity Act, also on the 1st. Again, loose deals. On deadlines on that. Chip maker Stellantis posts first annual loss. Warren calls Trump's bluff on affordability after the State of the Union. If I had to agree with her on something, maybe that's what I would agree with her on. I mean, but that's a really easy thing to point to. Okay. The Great Wealth Transfer, a $3 trillion opportunity for black business owners on the horizon. The Trump accounts aren't exactly tax-free, as the president said. Here's how they should work, or how they do work. I don't know. That's the Trump accounts. Citi says the stablecoin issuer is its top pick, expects